Hello everyone, and welcome to the National Cooking Channel, Eat Well, Live Well. Today, we're going to be making a healthy coconut filling. Now, what can we use coconut filling for exactly? Well, there's many different things you can do with coconut filling. For starters, you can use it as a topping. So you can put it on your donuts, you can put it on yogurt, you can put it in your oatmeal, and you can also make desserts and snacks out of it. Things like a sweet roll with shredded coconut, like pan de coco, for example, which, by the way, we have an amazing recipe here at Eat Well, Live Well. If you check out the link above, we have a pan de coco recipe you guys should definitely check out. But before we go about making our coconut filling, as a reminder, please hit the like, the subscribe, and notification buttons. We're just going to let you know when we have new healthy recipe releases to our channel, just like this video, at least once a week, every Friday. Now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and make our coconut filling, guys. Let's go to the ingredients that we need to make our coconut filling. Here we're going to continuously stir our coconut filling mixture until the liquid is dramatically reduced, like this. Now that we have our coconut filling, we're going to go ahead and set that aside and let that cool down in the refrigerator for approximately 30 minutes to an hour. Well, that concludes our culinary journey. I hope you enjoyed making a healthy coconut filling as much as we did. Also, if you like this video, or if you have any comments you want to leave, any recommendations of what we should make next, please leave them down in the comments down below. We'll check them out, and you may see whatever you recommend in one of our future releases. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one and other healthy recipes that we release, please don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe, and notification button. We're just going to let you know whenever we release videos just like this one to our channel, which is going to be at least once a week, every Friday. Now until next time, eat well, live well. We'll see you in our next culinary journey. Bye for now.